Hey guys, so my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I kind of like meal prep. I don't meal prep, but I do prep some food. I personally do live at home. I have 4 brothers and my parents. My mom eats very healthy. My brothers eat kind of healthy, but they don't eat very healthy. So it gets very hard to always have healthy food, you know, that to be your go-to when there's like pizza and pasta made and you're over here trying to like cook up your spinach. So it gets a little difficult. So these are some tricks that help me always have access to healthy foods. It makes it so that I come home, I'm hungry, and I eat healthy food instead of the unhealthy food. Recently, I've been having a little bit of trouble sticking to eating healthy, so I'm going to make sure that this week I have all my healthy food prepped so that that is what I'm eating rather than getting annoyed, being hungry, being hangry, and going to the unhealthy food. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get food meal prepping version of mine. Okay, so this has just been a struggle to be able to use my family kitchen and not have a bunch of people in it. So my mom has inspired me to do this, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah, Mom, you inspired me to do it, even though we're low-key being annoyed by each other right now. We just came home from the grocery store. We have tons of fresh produce, vegetables, fruit. So first off, I'm going to just clean all the vegetables that I want to have this week and that I find kind of annoying to prepare when I'm in the moment. So I'm just gonna rinse everything and then I'm gonna chop it all up. This way I open up the fridge. Wow, there's a bunch of chopped vegetables. So easy. I put them on the skillet, I saute them, blah, they're yummy, they're good, rather than having to take them out, wash them, cut them, blah, 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 and it's just a pain in the butt. So yeah, guys, let's get rinsing, cutting, and yeah, let's go. When I have lots of produce and I want to clean it in large quantities, I simply just fill up the sink with some water, and then I simply pour in some distilled white vinegar. This is supposed to be a natural way to cleanse vegetables and such. I actually don't do this with vegetables all that much. I always do it with berries and such. It's pretty crazy to see how much dirt and gross stuff comes off of the vegetables and fruit. So I just fill it up and I let them sit for about 10 minutes. And now I just had rinsed them off, had them sitting there, and I was just peeling. So I had the sink full of vegetables, I had the sink for peeling, and then I had my Tupperware. So as you guys can see, it's just kind of systematic. I cleaned, peeled, and then cut, and I popped them on into the container. So it's just a system, you get it going, and it works very, very easily, as you guys can see. And then look how pretty and pleasing on the eye all these vegetables look in the containers.
Look, hi baby. Hey, what's up, dude?
Ready for the camera.
Calvin's choice.
Calvin likes the cookies.
Yeah.
Lucas wants the veggies, I'm impressed.
Oh, is it cookie? Well,
Which one will it be?
Okay, now for the second thing. I'm pretty sure I hear footsteps coming this way. Yep. But, okay, for the second thing, me and my mom actually just finally did it. We've had to do it for a long time. We just never have. We reorganized the refrigerator so that we can access all the cut up fruits and vegetables very, very easily because it just makes such a big difference when you open up the refrigerator and everything's all prepped and easy to access. I do realize not all households are going to allow this. My family is very, comfortable and cool and very kind about it, especially since my mom eats like even more psycho healthy than me. So yeah, organize the refrigerator so that it is visually appealing and it's just organized and everything's super easy to get to. So that's the second thing. This is a perfect example. Chips are a lot easier to eat than having to deal with peeling and cutting all of this.
Gang gang.
So what do? You make soup, right? And you put it in the fridge. That's your personal thing.
Look, this is a ginormous pot of soup.
And you just make it, put it in the fridge, and then you can grab it whenever you need to.
Exactly, and I freeze them too.
Okay guys, and that is the video. So it's really pretty much simple. Me and my mom, we go like once, twice a week. We buy a bunch of produce, fresh produce. We wash it, we cut it up, we put it in Tupperware, we organize the fridge nice, so everything is just so easy to access. What I find most difficult about eating healthy is just having the food prepared because making healthy food traditionally does take a lot longer, I feel like, than making unhealthy food because because you just pop it in the microwave and you're like, this is good. But healthy stuff takes a little bit more time. So just being able to not have to deal with cleaning, cutting, rinsing, doing all that stuff, it is so much better. You walk in the fridge, everything's ready, you grab it, you put it on a skillet or whatever, and you're all set to go. So then you are never getting really hangry and having to wait and everything. Fruit-wise, I just always make sure to have some ripe fruit that I really like in the house, so then when I'm super hungry, I just snack on stuff. I hope that you like this. I hope that you maybe try it for yourself. Comment down below if you do or if you are going to. And yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.